everyone, you're watching Twin Buds. Today let us make green peas mango salad. For this recipe we will need 100 grams green peas soaked, cooked and along with water. A half cup garbanzo cooked, green chilies 1 tablespoon chopped, half tablespoon chopped garlic, half tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 pinch turmeric, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon rock salt, half cup carrot grated, half cup mango grated, 1 small tomato finely chopped, 2 onions finely chopped, a small piece of coconut finely chopped, half lemon. For cooking green peas, 100 grams of green peas was cooked in sufficient water with a pinch of salt. Now cooked garbanzo is made it into a paste along with the half cup water. Now grind the cooked garbanzo beans along with 1 cup of water. Turn on the stove and add the green peas mixture, and now add the green peas, cooked green peas, and add garbanzo, ground garbanzo paste and bring it to a boil. It can be watery. You can add some more water if you like your dish to be watery. And add turmeric powder. Mix it thoroughly. At this point, add ginger, garlic, green chilies. Red chili powder and mix well. Salt, garam masala powder, fennel seed powder and mix well and let it boil. Now you can turn off the flame and add onion, grated carrot, grated mango, chopped tomato and coconut. Mix it well. Add coriander leaves and mix thoroughly, and a juice of half lemon. Green peas raw mango salad is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching.